Hey my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video, I will show you how to install OpenCV library in Visual Studio Code. To install the OpenCV library, first we are going to create a Python project folder within which we are going to install a virtual environment which we are going to activate, and finally within the virtual environment we are going to install the OpenCV library. So to do that, we are going to click on File and then click on Open Folder. I want to create the Python project folder on my desktop. So over here, I am going to click on new folder and let me give the name as OpenCV underscore install. I created, you can see the folder has been created. Now I'm going to click on open to open it within Visual Studio Code. There you go. I have opened this folder. Now the next step is to create a virtual environment. To create a virtual environment, we are going to click on terminal and we'll click on new terminal. And this is going to open the terminal for us. Let's check where we are. We should be inside this OpenCV underscore install folder. So I'm going to write pwd. There you go. You can see that we are inside the OpenCV underscore install folder already. Here is where we are going to create a virtual environment. The command to create a virtual environment is very simple. It is python 3-m venv and the name of the virtual environment, which I'm going to give as OpenCV underscore venv. I hit enter, and if this command doesn't throw any error, that means virtual environment is successfully created. And there you go, you can see it has run successfully. You can see that OpenCV underscore venv folder is appearing over here. This means that the virtual environment has been successfully created. Now within the bin folder, there is an executable activate, which we are going to source to activate this virtual environment. So we are going to write source OpenCV underscore venv /bin /activate. When I hit this command, it is going to activate my virtual environment. Now we are going to install the OpenCV library. To install it, we are going to write pip install OpenCV-Python. I hit enter, and you can see that the installation has begun. Alright, and the installation has ended. It says that it has successfully installed OpenCV Python and it has installed a NumPy 2 in the process. Now let's create a file which we are going to name main.py, and this is the file which we are going to use to test the installation of OpenCV library. So over here we are going to write import cv2, and then we are going to print its version like this. If this script of 2 lines of code runs successfully, that means that we have correctly installed OpenCV library in Visual Studio Code. Let me run this, and there you go. It correctly prints the version of the OpenCV library installed, which is 4.10.0. And this proves that we have correctly installed OpenCV library in this folder OpenCV underscore install using Visual Studio Code. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install the OpenCV library in Visual Studio Code from this video of Joey's Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.